my channel. I'm Tadora, and this is my sister.
Hi, I'm Lara. Hey sister, what are we making?
We're making something special and quickly. That is Mekike!
Yay!
Let's go!
Yeah, let's go!
Okay guys, for the preparation, we need yogurt, oil, flour, egg, baking powder, and Himalayan salt. Let's get to cooking!
Yeah, let's get to cooking!
First, in the flour we're gonna pour in Himalayan salt and the baking powder. Hey Lara, crack the eggs.
Okay. This mess I'm gonna get out.
Be careful, sister.
Okay.
It's gonna taste so good.
Yeah.
Watch until the end. Now we're gonna wait until my sister done with the eggs. Now we're gonna pour them in.
Here, I'm done, sister. Here.
Okay. Now we're gonna pour them in. And then the yogurt. And then I'm gonna mix it with my hands now. Ooh, it feels so cold. Mix them until it combines with everything and forms into a dough. And mix it firmly.
Oh, I see the egg.
Yeah,
And it's turning orange.
it's not gonna turn orange, sister. Now I'm gonna put the dough on the workplace. First I'm gonna spread the flour. And mix it a little bit more. Now, I'm done. Now let's make it to the perfect Mekike. Now let's roll it. Just a little bit. Spread it around to make it easy for me. And now let's roll it.
Roll, roll, roll.
Now that I'm done spreading out the dough, now let's cut it into rectangular shapes. Now, I'm gonna do it like this. Now I'm gonna put them on this tray full of flour. And then I'm gonna bake them. First, we're gonna bake the Mekike for 120 degrees, and every side of Mekike needs to be for 1 minute. There is a very good hack. How can you know the oil is ready to bake? So, get this dough, a little piece of dough, and put it into the pan. And there we go.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah, and it's ready to bake.
It's floating now.
Yeah, that means it's ready. Let's go. But one by one. One is ready. Now let's get them out. Okay. This one and this one. Now, repeat the whole process all over again. Now that I'm done with the Mekikes, you can try them with sweet and salty. Hey sister, what do you want?
I want sweets.
Okay. Here we go, sister.
Okay.
Yummy. It's so good. And this is how many I got with this dough.
So delicious.
It's so soft, right, sister?
Yeah.
And how do you give it?
A 10 out of 10.
That's what I thought. This recipe is very fast when you're having guests. And this is very perfect. And this took me for an hour to make. This is it for now, guys. Tomorrow's a new day. Like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, it's Isidor's Corner. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Oh, I forgot, TikTok. Bye.
Bye.
See you guys in the next video.